So as you guys can see from those right there, it's an M package, BMW. Beautiful car, man. Look at how wide the tires are on it. That's the front. Look at the wide. How wide in the back too. You can tell it needs all that to grip. This thing's very powerful. They're really fun cars to drive. Anyways, what we got done on it, factory converters up there somewhere on each side. There and there. Then it's got two different style resonators. I don't know why BMW, I guess one was louder than the other. So it's got this first resonator, look small. Then you can see the wide resonator on this side. So there's a reason behind it. Only BMW knows. Then it's got 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. And it had that gigantic muffler there. That center dual side outlets that went in there. We took it off and ran 2.5-inch pipe in its place there and there into its factory tips there and there, as you guys can see. So now it's straight pipe other than the resonators. Has a rear muffler delete. There's a muffler on it that was on it. There's the side outlets there and there's the center inlet right there, as you guys can see. It weighs about 150 pounds, so we just gave it a tummy tuck, basically. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. Oh, man, it's sick. Yeah. You can hear that. Here's sound decibels now. All right, this is Sport Plus Plus. Go ahead. Yeah, it's a little more. Much better. Here's sound decibels. 105. Go ahead and back it out. You want it louder? That's good. That's my boy. Hell yeah.
How much you think this weighs?
Over 100 pounds. Yeah, new girls with it. Listen to that idle too.
Hey, I love how it sounds. It's not too loud. It's not...
Yeah, that's perfect. You know, he's jealous now. We're gonna do the Audi next. Yeah. Listen to that purr. That sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Got that panoramic roof fully loaded to the max. Nice. Enjoy, guys.